Hello everyone, this is David Vachon from Vanlife Montreal. Today we are taking a tour of the Raven 2023. So for two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicles, if I can give some advice to people who are wondering whether it is necessary to go for a four-wheel drive or not, there is an advantage with the four-wheel drive. It's nice not to get stuck in the snow. But in the end, having experienced a two-wheel drive with the model that we present to you here with good tires, especially studded tires in winter, I don't see a big difference. You really need to intend to go off-road, off the beaten track, to have the advantage of having a four-wheel drive. Otherwise, it's an unnecessary expense. The great particularity of the Raven is that it is a longer vehicle with a queen-size bed lengthwise, which is different from our other models. This is good for people who are 6 feet, 6 feet 2 and above. That's really the advantage that this vehicle brings us. In the Raven, we have larger windows, which is a big advantage. We have 360-degree visibility, so that allows us to also have a system that we developed at Vanlife, an electric curtain system. So it's buttons that activate the shades. It also provides a good capacity to retain the heat inside or block the light that could heat the passenger compartment in the summer. In the kitchen, we will find the fridge, a stove, an induction hob. We will have the drinking water tap, the clean water tap for washing dishes, but also for hot water dyeing. All of this will be discharged into grey water tanks under the vehicle. We will have a water capacity of approximately 140 liters, so 40 liters for consumption, then 80 liters for the dish shower portion. Our kitchen has a lot of storage space. We have a knife drawer, we have a cutting board integrated into this same drawer. We will have plenty of storage space with push buttons that will lock the doors. Finally, we will find a drawer for the trash and recycling, very important in a van. In the bathroom, we will find two types of showers. The monocoque shower, which will be located at the front, or the ghost shower, which takes up very little space, then leaves a lot of room for storage. A shower with a curtain in the middle of the van, with a thermostatic valve system with the handheld shower coming out of a drawer. So it's really practical for those who need space, then live full-time in a van. In terms of the toilet, it is a cassette toilet that is found in a drawer, a sliding drawer, or in the monocoque shower, which will have a toilet. In the end, it is a bathroom with a private room. Now for the bedroom, we find a queen bed at head height, adjustable, which allows you to have either a garage underneath or have another queen bed as an option for a 4-passenger van. What's fun in the bedroom is that we've integrated storage boxes so you can put your clothes, your bedtime equipment, so really a lot of extra storage at the bed level. As you know, at Vanlife, all our vehicles are 4 seasons, so they are all equipped with a Webasto autonomous system, a heating system that works with diesel or gasoline. In the case of the Mercedes, we are talking about diesel. What's also fun with the Mercedes is that we can integrate a second Webasto, which will give even greater autonomy in very cold weather. The electrical system at Vanlife is pretty much the heart of the van. It's a system that works from solar panels that power Voltium lithium batteries. Smart batteries that give incredible autonomy and can operate just about everything in the van, as well as the exterior light. With this system, we can have autonomy exceeding 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We have room to install 400 to 800 lithium amps in a van, particularly in the Raven. Behind the vehicle, we find the garage, so extremely large storage space, mostly dedicated to cycling, but also for bunk beds or a fixed bed. We will also find our outdoor shower, which is accessible from the back as well. And then there, we have our mosquito nets to close everything, which will allow you to sleep under the stars. So the garage is really complete. So if you're still lacking space and the garage isn't satisfactory, you have the roof. The roof allows you to have a terrace and storage boxes for all beds. We will find all the possible accessories for all your equipment. We have a hitch at the back which allows you to install a bike rack. We have side racks and ladders for those who want to carry rigid or inflatable paddle boards. That concludes our 2023 Raven Vantour. This is a vehicle that I had the chance to test. It's a vehicle that I appreciated just as much in 2x4 as in 4x4. What was really good for me was, given my size, having the bed the other way around allowed me to be more comfortable. So a really big thumbs up for the Raven. If you have any questions or if you want to see a Raven, give us a call. It would be our pleasure to present it to you. We'll meet on the road. Cheers.